What's the meaning of aerodynamics? Aerodynamics. 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 Aerodynamics is the study of how objects move through air. It involves analyzing the forces of airflow and their effects on the object in motion, such as an airplane or a car. The goal of aerodynamics is to design objects that can move efficiently through air with minimal resistance and maximum speed. By understanding the complex interactions between air and the object, engineers can create sleek, streamlined shapes that improve performance and reduce drag. This is crucial for industries like aviation and motorsports, where even small gains in aerodynamic efficiency can translate to significant improvements in speed and fuel efficiency.